Hello and welcome again to the display corner here at CDS, and today we're bringing you the new second generation Ultron from Glorystar. Glorystar we've worked with for many years now. Fantastic quality supplier of Android and Windows based industrial and commercial systems. So this is the Ultron. As I said, this is the second generation, so we've got a lovely 21.5 inch display here embedded with a i5 PC. So a complete all-in-one system for kiosk and commercial industrial applications. Has built-in camera, has noise cancelling headphones. As I said, it's got the 12th generation i5 processor in this one as well. All the usual interfaces that you'd expect from a panel PC, but from a beautiful supplier with very good products, with long longevity of products as well, which is one of the many reasons we use Glorystar, is through the longevity of the product, the quality of the product, and the support that we get as well is just fantastic. So as I said, this is the 21.5. If you want to come in a little bit closer, you can see this wonderful 21.5 inch touchscreen. This is optically bonded as well, so it's 450 nits, optically bonded to a glass anti-glare PCAP touch. So really lovely feel and look to the product. A lovely embedded glass touch into the bezel there. Really wonderful product. It's available in small volume, it's available in large volume, it's available from CDS, and it's available in multiple sizes. 10 inch is the entry level size, 15.6, and then we have the 21.5 as well. So it's another arm to our embedded family and a really lovely product. If you'd like more information about Glorystar, the Ultron, or any other display related products, please contact us using the links below.